What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. First of all, shout out to NiaWigs for sending me another unit to review for you guys. So if you don't know, I have reviewed I think 3 so far from them. I absolutely love their headband wigs, you guys. The first 2 I did was like more on the naturally textured curly kind of units, and the latest one I just did last week was a kinky straight unit, which I absolutely love and adore. Definitely check them out if you haven't done so. I will link them in the description box and it'll pop up in the video as well. So the unit I'm wearing today is the Jennifer dark brown headband wig. Now you do have the option between 16 inches and 24. I have the 20 inch, and you do have the option of getting this unit in a naturally wavy or silky straight. This is the naturally wavy. Okay, all right, y'all. So in the package, of course, you get the care instructions, you get the booklet, you also get the unit, of course, and you also get the headbands that it come with, and they also give you the silky bag to put the unit in so you don't have to put it back in the plastic to keep it nice and fresh. Now you can see that the colors off jump is absolutely amazing. This is called dark brown, but it's giving me like a nice pretty chocolatey kind of color, and it's dimensional, so you can see like darker pieces of it and you can see lighter pieces of it, so it's kind of giving me the illusion of having like lighter brown highlights. I think the color is absolutely beautiful. The curls as well already in there, looking very pretty, nice and styled for you already. Now for me, when I have human hair units, most of the time I'm washing them first. Number one, because I just feel like you get more fluff and you get more of a texture that works better for you when you wash them. And secondly, because of the pandemic, I am just very careful with everything that comes in my house, y'all. I wash all my human hair units. I spray down the synthetics with Lysol and everything, like down to groceries. I'm wiping down everything. I don't play that. So yes, I did wash this unit. If you want to see how I prep my units and wash it, that was in the latest video I did with the kinky straight unit from NiaWigs. So like I said, I'll put that in the description box below so you can see how I prep and wash the hair and all of that. Very simple, nothing to it. After I washed the unit, it did loosen up the waves that were initially in the unit, which I wasn't too shocked about because it is a silky kind of unit. I figured it was going to loosen up a little bit, which is fine by me. But if you're going to wash a unit before you put it on your head, which a lot of people do if it's human hair, like I said, you will physically have to do something to get some waves or some curls back into the units. If you're somebody who doesn't really care and you just wear your human hair unit straight as is, you'll get a few looks with the initial waves that come in it, and that's fine too. Whatever works for you. The texture of this unit is definitely on the silky side. It's not yucky. We don't have any crinkles or nothing like that up in here, sis. So if you're somebody who loves a silky texture, that's definitely what you're gonna get from this unit. The density, I must say, is a natural density, which I'm not too mad at all. It looks nice and healthy. You get a healthy amount of density. It's not thin, it's not thick, it's like right in between. It looks nice, healthy, and natural. As far as the weight goes for the hair, it's not super heavy. It's definitely heavier than the last units that I did review from them. Those natural textures have a little bit more of a feather light weight to it versus the silky texture does give you a little bit of weight to it, which with it being silky and with it having just a little bit more weight, it can be challenging to style the units in different kind of styles like updos and ponytails if you're not even born with that already. Y'all know I be having a problem with it. So it's definitely doable, but you'll have to just like, you know what you're doing to kind of get it right. There is no shedding, no tangling with this unit. Also, when I washed it, I didn't get any shedding or tangling, and I tell you that all the time because they are born with the quality. I don't ever have an issue with any tangling or shedding with any of their units at all. There was, however, some mild flyaways, and I think it has something to do with the mild layers that are in this unit. The layers are not like super crazy, but it has like some feather ends or whatever, and I think that's mainly where it was coming from. But it doesn't bother you when you kind of have it back like this. But if you kind of do like a ponytail updo, when you start messing around with it and hair can get all over the place, you'll definitely notice them, but it's not anything crazy at all. The hair is mad soft, y'all. Like, it's super soft to the touch. The hair moves, the hair is flowy, super pretty. I would definitely say that this unit is like ideal for everyday kind of unit, like an everyday plop and go. It has the curls, it has color, it has style to it. So it's gorgeous. Like, this is a really pretty unit. So I could get with this. I think that because it's a 20 inch as well, it does make it, like I said, more ideal for like an everyday kind of look. I mean, if you went 24, some people like to wear long hair too, girl, but this is 20 inches. And of course, because it's curled, it's kind of giving that shrinkage, but I think I might straighten out this unit too and see what it looks like. But overall, I'm happy with it. It's just a super easy unit, very pretty, nice in color. It has little waves to it. And it's just a look. I would have to say that this is definitely a big head head friendly unit. So you did see with some of the styles that I did do, I had that baby way up to the front and I didn't have a problem stretching it. You always get some extra room with the NiaWigs headband wig. So I'm happy about that for sure. So if you don't want to have your edges out, no problem, sis. So I'm good with that. You feel me? I'm a 22.5 circumference size head. Just if you're wondering like, well, how big is your head? She's pretty. I like her. I like the animal print. We're doing some things. I'm ready to see what else they got. They have been pleasing me very much with their headband units and I'm super excited to try out more. I'm looking in the mirror. I like it. It's really, really pretty, y'all. Let me know what you think about Miss Jennifer in the comment section down below. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video on up. I do have a playlist with a lot of headband wigs if you want to check out more videos, from synthetic starting at $15 all the way up to the human hair ones ending at $300. So I got something for everybody. If you're interested, check it out. It will be linked below and it'll pop up at the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.
You're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my head.